What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. So I'm actually headed over to the storage to do some work to the BMW. I actually got a new, I think I already showed y'all this, not sure. I got the new TWM quick action release system for the gas cap. I got it in black and gold, and I also got the titanium screws. So yeah, I hope it'll look pretty good. It should be a quick install. I'm about to head over right now. I'll just see how we get to the garage. Okay guys, so I'm at the storage. Got everything I need here. Only thing you're gonna need is a T25 Torx, a paper towel just for me to clean out the whole tank, and then a towel. I already got it open, as you can see here, and inside this thing is actually kind of dirty. So that's actually why I got the napkin here to wipe that out. First thing you wanna do is take it, go ahead and open your bike with the key. So this is basically what this is gonna do, is get rid of using my key to open the gas tank. I will now just be able to twist it and go on by my way. So we got it open now till it's dirty, and basically just gonna remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that one right there, as you can see, because it doesn't have those brackets around the screw. First, you wanna go ahead and stuff a towel down in the gas tank, because you don't want to drop any screws down there for sure. You probably want to make sure your gas tank is pretty empty. I guess mine is pretty empty. So, and then we're just going to take our T25 here, and we're just going to go ahead and take these screws out. Okay guys, so we got all 4 of our screws out, as you can see. So now we're just going to go ahead, and this should just lift up and come out, I believe. Yep. I'm trying to do it one hand here. Let me do it with 2 while I break something. Hold on. There we go. Comes out. As you can see, here it is. Here's your old gas cap there. Yeah, it's pretty good, but as you can see, this is dirty, so let's go ahead and clean that out. I'm just gonna set that right there. Take a towel here. Okay, got that all clean. Now to get our new cap. So here's your new cap here. Comes with a little washer garment on the back there. As you can see, this just fits on there like that. And so basically how this works, you just push this down, and when you push it down, you'll see it releases and turns. I did get the 4 titanium bolts, gold. I think they should use the T25 as well. Hope so. We'll take our gas cap here and take this, put it on the back. Take a little washer garment, put it on the back. Make sure it's on there pretty good. You can see. You'll take it. And just sit that there, like that. Make sure my holes are lined up. Okay, guys, really quick, you do have to reuse the old one off the old gas cap, because it just was not fitting flush, and I was wondering why. I saw a lot of red left around, so you do have to reuse the old one. We got that on there now. Put the old rubber on. There we go. A lot more flush. So now we just line up our holes. As you can see there, we just got them lined up, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put our screws in. Okay guys, and here's the final look. As you can see, I think it completely changes the way the bike looks, having this all black. The only thing I was worried about with the gold, the bolts being gold, but these are silver. So I'm probably gonna swap all these for gold as well. I've been thinking about doing that. But how this works, I think you should just push this down, or push it some way. Oh, there we go. Boom, just like that. Now you can see, put it back, same way. So you just push the little tab part down, not the whole screw. Tab, pull up, back. That's it, locks in place. I like it, man. I think it looks good. Comment below, tell me what y'all think. Give it like a more of a custom look. Y'all can see. But yeah, that's how it sits, that's how it looks. I will say that the gold here doesn't match the screws, but it looks good that way. You know, it doesn't match. It looks good, this pops out. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, peace.